Oi, oi! Welcome to Toss Football Wisdom. We are always live on Monday, 10 o'clock, Omni Odu Africa. Bafethu, niyabona ukuthi what happened over the weekend. Masandawana, there's a half star that is already in their shirt. They're still going to finish the other one as they go to Morocco. Iminola Pezul. And then we've got Orlando Pirates. But so close, but they are far. Ayazi isilungu sangiphazamisa kancane angazi ichaza ukuthini inesizongitshela ke ninake so close but they are far. After they've played against Durban City, I'm a coach for life. Yazi le team ayidlala, everything comes to stand still. I thought Yazi Chiefs are not playing Sundowns and Pirates, but you know, when I look around, it was quiet. Oh, now I've realized that Kaizer Chiefs are playing. And Bafethu, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and post. And we're coming with a very beautiful and a nice thing. We've got an example of that, and an example of which is going to happen. So I'm going to ask you guys to engage with me. Niaz Bafethu, I always ask you, let's engage, let's talk, let's share ideas and the knowledge of football. And this nice thing that I'm talking about is that when you want to come and share with me here in this table, there's a number on the screen. You can WhatsApp there, and then you come, and then we share this football knowledge. Tango.
Man, what an interesting weekend we come from. But I think it's only fair we starting a game le wonke umuntu bekacanga ukuthi phela iPirates iphakamisa league. Sesiqokile sesipenda ubuso si black and white ezindlini sesiphekile yonke into imnandi. And I like the example uJunior Kanye made ku Diski TV. Athi kufana nokuthi umfazi ahambe ayozithengela ikhekhe, athenga igrocery, athenge yonke into, adeke itafula bese indoda ingeze endlini. Is it fair to say that the supporters seem to want this league more than the players?
Before we can go there when I'm due, let me start with a very interesting one. That makes everyone went to Amstel Arena on Saturday. The game against TS Galaxy and Mamelodi Sundowns. That's where everything started. If things went the other way around, I doubted that Orlando was going to be packed the way it was packed. So, yeah, Coach Bernard Parker said, I'm going to give Orlando Pirates the trophy as he was going to play against TS Galaxy. And what a game. What a game. But I do understand why Sundowns players at some point, they had to put their foot out of the pedal because of the final. And yes, well done to TS Galaxy, Minola Pezul. Then they had to look forward to the game against the AS FAR that they've played last night. Esimnyama ngenkanza ke Bulmuzi ngamaspalaza wenzo wawo. Pakania fasa. Hey, wali look fasa man Saturday man. Wali look fasa man. Let me tell you, with the experience that I've got in this game, the crowd that was there at Amstel Arena, it was something else. If somebody else will ask, maybe he was gonna say, or she was gonna say, there's a derby that is going to be played there because of it was really packed. Like you couldn't even see the passage where people they need to walk when they need to go and sit in their seat. That's how much para supporters were there at Orlando Stadium, and it was one of those games where sometimes it does put pressure. I'm not defending players, but I'm just saying to you guys that sometimes. Understand this part that they also felt the pressure. They felt the pressure of delivering. Not that they didn't want to win the game. They wanted to win the game. No one wants to go to the field of play not to win the game. It's just that the days are not the same. The atmosphere is different. Yes, they used to have their own crowd at Orlando Stadium, but as packed as it was on Saturday, really, I was also shaking myself. I was shaking myself to say, wow, I never thought it was going to be packed like that. But it was one of those games where I think even today, we can start that game again, Durban City and Orlando Pirates. It was going to end up with a draw because of the atmosphere. Sometimes the atmosphere gives the direction of the game, how the game is going to unfold at the end of the day, how the game is going to go come the end of the day. Because, Durban City also, they came there to really they've planned for Orlando Pirates, and their plan worked very hard, very well. Sorry, they defended very well. They had numbers in defense. Nganana, Mkhize, Pochempu, they did very well in defense and in the midfield. Not to give Orlando Pirates the spaces that they always get every time when they play. And look at how also Tito find himself drawing outside, going to the width or dropping too deep to the midfield. It tells you how much the space, that there was no space there in that midfield, so he couldn't find those pockets. Apolise tried also again to try to find those pockets. King Ama 2000, they've tried, but it was very difficult to do.
So, bengicela nje sikhulume about ama-tactics waka-Owadu leading to that game. We were all shocked to see Simphiwe Slepe start a game like that. He hasn't played a single game this season. No dlala kuphela lesa sikhathi lesana siya ku-AFCON when iPirates idlale All-Stars ye-Carling knockout. That's literally the only time he played. Now you play him with Talent Mbata. They haven't played together in a very long time. So kube nzima ukuthi batholane yena no Talent Mbata. And kugcwele. Sold out stadium, sonke laphana siyascreama siyachera, so there's too much pressure on the boy. Was it fair for Coach Abdeslam Owadu to play uSlepe in such a big game?
Look, I think we all make mistakes in life, and I believe the coach Owadu, his technical team, and everyone, by putting Slepe there, I think they made a mistake. It was a crucial game for Orlando Pirates. They needed to win, especially at home, where you know that it's better to win it at home than to go and win it outside. So it was a good opportunity for Orlando Pirates to go gun blazing against Durban City, put everyone that has been there, that is has been playing. So that you can get that win. Maybe against Obit, maybe you can start to ever that you want to start. But in this game, it was very, very important that he needed to start. I don't know why Maketlin was sitting on the bench, because I believe that he should have started the game. So that he can also give Umbata a bit of time to get to that edge of the box, maybe to take a shot. But now Umbata has to be cautious to help Slepe in that midfield, because he's not been playing for a while. So now he cannot just go and leave him alone in that central position. So you must always come and help him there. I think it's a mistake that everyone took to put Slepe, whether it's Coach Owadu, the technical team, or everyone there that agreed with that decision. All of them, they need to say we made a mistake. And a game like this one, for me personally, I believe it was a game that they had to do everything possible that they can, so that they win it at home. It's nice to celebrate at home, winning at home. I'm not saying it's not nice to go and celebrate in Bombela, but celebrating at home, it's more nicer because you are at home. You can spend all the time that you need at home. But when you're away, remember that you cannot have that fun away because you have to come back home. So I think they didn't calculate very well in terms of decision making, in terms of starting Selepe.
There's one substitution award that you were not happy with. Sikubone kudala sokhulumile ngayo. Siyabona ukuthi Orlando Pirates is under pressure. They desperately need a goal. Asihlangani phambili abomfukeng bayashoota abokeeper bayasave apolice bashama phala izinto ziyale. I think it only makes sense that you add an attacker. Makunjalo ukuthi yazini, let me add more numbers in my attack. But coach Abdeslam Mowadu ukhipha uDion Hoto ofaka uNdaba. So he's substituting a defender. Last funa khona amagoli. This team iDurban City hleli imile, they're not doing anything to Orlando Pirates. iPirates ye balandayo. What will that decision yakhe yokufaka yokusubstitute lapha noNdaba? Was it necessary lanto le?
Look, Mdu, that sub, for me, it was late. It was supposed to happen earlier. Remember, when you look at the game when I'm doing, first half, I think that's when Ndaba was going to help us in the delivery. Because we had a lot of chances on the left side with the Otto having the ball, but his delivery was poor. First half, I agree that if it was Ndaba at that time, he was going to give us decent crosses and then definitely maybe we were going to get something. But now, why didn't put it young? I don't know. I don't know really why did he take out Otto and put Ndaba when we needed the goal. We are playing at home. We want to win this cup at home. I don't know why. I don't know really. I don't know. I'm asking myself a lot of questions, to say what we needed from you, Coach Wado, to do. You did it late when you introduced Ndaba, because now we didn't need more of Ndaba, because already Mfukeng was also sitting in the line. So we really don't need Ndaba. So we needed a number in the box. Maybe if Dion was available, put Dion there. Maybe it's going to be Dion and then Makgopa, Apolise was just going to come in because already Moremi was in. So Apolise and Kingama 2000 they're going to exchange. So I don't know. I don't know why. I don't know. Maybe there's something that I maybe personally, I don't know. I didn't see the good thing of making that change. But I thought from the game start, the special after 15-20 minutes, seeing that we are creating more chances on the left side, but the delivery is not good enough. That's when we're supposed to make a change. But yeah, only Coach Wado and his technical team knows.
Okay, so now you look at the way Pirates be attacking a corner, chance after chance, but they just couldn't convert. Doesn't this speak to the importance of a striker that actually knows how to score goals? You look at, sometimes you compare them to his Sundowns. Makshuwile lapayana go Sundowns, Leon can come through anytime. He always finds a way. Yoguta Boboze, Ashayana Loma Goleli one or Ashai Brace and keep them in the game like he did when the Sundowns played against the ETS Galaxy. Umbutuma struggled in the first half, even before Atoli injury, but he wasn't in the game. Bebano kumpasa as well ngokwakhe, and then obvious Mahubal Doski ungenile and uzamele change complexion game. But do you think Orlando Pirates before baya ku CAF mele bahamba bayo hunter lesa striker lesa sikwazi ukushayela goal?
To be really honest, Mdu, Pirates, they need a very serious striker. They need somebody that can score goals. Because when you look at how Pirates they play, I will always say more or less similar like Mamelodi Sundowns because they've got players that they can create chances, but they need a striker that is going to put that ball in the net. And when you've got Muremi, Apolise, Tito, Mfukeng, then they can create chances for you. Then you need somebody that can really put that ball in the net. So they're similar like Mamelodi Sundowns. They've got players that they create chances, and they've got strikers that they can put the ball in the net. And for me, Pirates, they're going again to the Champions League. They need to get two really good strikers. Two really strikers that they can put the ball in the net. Because sometimes midfielders, they don't get it in terms of finding themselves in the maybe penalty area where maybe they can, try and score. They give them a space always outside the box, like how Durban City they did. They always make sure that they close here in front of the box and give them a space outside the box. That's why they always try to take those shots. So sometimes you need that striker that you're gonna play him the ball and hold it, and then they come join the midfielders. Then that's when they will tap in. So they need two strong strikers.
Danko, sesongena kule Sundowns manje and then sogcina ngeChiefs. Is it over for Pirates or bayithatha Saturday?
No. Pirates, they can take it. But here's my worry. Maybe it's because I love football too much. I don't know. You guys, please help me to calm down if I love football too much. Pirates, they had 19 corner kicks. 19 corner kicks. Same way. I don't know whether it's me. That's why I'm asking that if it's my mind, it's my eyes, please help me. I believe you take the corner the first time, you can see, okay, they're defending it. You're doing it the second time, same way, they're defending it. The third time, you're still going to go. I believe that already you need to try and variate your corner kicks. To say, okay, the first 2 corner kicks, this is what they did. And yes, I know, we planned to say, we want the corner kicks to be taken this way. We want them to be taken this way. But now, if we see now opponents that they really see us, that we play corner kicks this way, then they defend that. Why are we still playing them? For me, it was a waste of set piece. It's waste of 19 corner kicks. Why can't we play short? Play short, then put it back so that when we play short, there will be a movement in the box, then you can play it. The other one, we play short, somebody makes a run in front of, from the first pole, maybe play it there, take it outside the box, take a shot. Sometimes playing it short, take it outside the box, somebody take a shot. Or either you play it far post and then bring it back, and you need to vary it. I was very disappointed. Not I don't know how to put it, but I was very disappointed that you had 19 corner kicks, not even one. That was really dangerous. Took them same way. No, man. I don't know. The technical coach and the technical team, I think these are the things that I always advise also my coaches at Randburg as a technical director to say. Sometimes you'll find a game that you playing well, you creating chances, but that ball doesn't go in. Then you get set pieces. Those set pieces must win you games. With set pieces. Pirates had 19 corner kicks. They should have get something out of those 19 corner kicks. But maybe it's something that they also learn to say, maybe in the future, vary it. I know we go. I know we plan. As coaches, we plan for the game. And there's one thing that I always say also to my coaches is that you go to the game with your plan. But the game also is going to ask you questions. Now it's not going to ask you questions based on the plan that you've got. They're going to ask you questions based on something that you didn't plan of. then you need to come with an answer to what the game is asking you. So the game asks Pirates to say, you playing very well, you creating chances, but you can't score. Now you are getting these set pieces. Why don't you use the set pieces to win the game for you? Hope now the technical coach Warren and his technical team, they'll try now to find a way in terms of to vary their corner kicks. No, play it short, there'll be movement, play it short. Somebody makes a run, come from the box, come and receive it. The other one, play it wide outside the big box. Talet Mbata, he can stand there in the arc of the center as if he's picking a striker there. Then by the time you play it short, then he makes a run to come closer. You play it to him, he takes a shot. There's a lot that we can do. I hope the technical team of Orlando Pirates, they will find solutions on that.
So by Tata Saturday.
Definitely, no doubt. From Bombela to Arena, they will be having that trophy.